Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture we will discuss about blend milling operation different type. So first of all I will create an object. So click on solid, block, with center origin we will create a block. The dimension is 60 by 40 and the height is 20 with center origin. Okay, change the view in wireframe. You will see. Now create a path for blend. So in wireframe I will create a line here. The dimension is 20. Again create a line here. Now the dimension is 10. Again this line value is 15. Okay, now select this all line and apply mirror. You will see same portion is here, so click on OK. Now create a line, this endpoint to this endpoint. Okay, and create a circle with center point or midpoint. Okay, now by divide, delete your unrequired area. Okay, now apply fillet by here and the radius value is 5. Here, same as opposite side. And okay, you will see the line is extend, so I will delete, and this one also. Now create a line, this point to here, again here, and again continue this point, and okay. So you will see path is ready. Now I will change the view in isometric. See. So I will click on shaded view. Now in solid click on extrude, select this path. Okay, and you will see the cut body is selected. So the distance is 10 and okay, you will see this portion. So we will cut this portion by blend milling operation. So first of all in machine, select your milling machine. Now select your stock setup, all solid and OK. Now in toolpath we will select blend mill operation. Now we will select a chain. So first this portion, this and this. Now create a new chain. So click on end chain, select here. This is our chain. Okay, now click on OK. Toolpath is blend mill. Tool selection. So I will select tool with 3 dia. Select my holder. In cut parameter, I will select the spiral cut and the step over distance is 1. Stock to leave on wall is 0 and stock to leave on floor is also 0. Depth of cut, so the rough cut value is 1 and finish cut value is 0.5 and the finish cut is 2. Now linking parameter, so I will select top of stock here and depth here. Okay, now you will see the toolpath is applied. So we will check in verify selected operation. You will see the tool is touch here. So close this and first of all in parameter change your retract value, like I will give 15. Okay, and regenerate. Now click on verify selected. So here also you will see. Again I will change the value. So parameter, change the retract value 25. OK, and regenerate the operation. Verify selected operation. OK, now play and you will see the cut is applied. Now here I will play this. You will see. So now you will see here the workpiece is perfect. So I will close it, and this is your bland milling operation here. Now in next lecture we will discuss about slot milling operation. Thank you friends.